KTM SX 450F Factory Edition Popular 2024 Motorcycles. KTM, the Austrian pioneer in off-road motorcycling, is set to raise the bar in motocross with the unveiling of the KTM SX 450F Factory Edition for the 2024 model year. This limited edition 4-stroke motocross marvel is poised to set new standards in off-road racing, offering riders an exclusive combination of power, agility, and race-inspired technology in a meticulously crafted factory-tuned package. At the heart of the KTM SX 450F Factory Edition lies a potent 450 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine, meticulously fine-tuned to deliver explosive power and torque. This engine exemplifies KTM's commitment to providing motocross enthusiasts with a machine that excels on various off-road terrains, offering a perfect balance of lightweight agility and relentless acceleration. The SX 450F Factory Edition's power plant is expected to resonate with riders seeking a dynamic and thrilling motocross experience. Design-wise, the KTM SX 450F Factory Edition boasts a race-ready and exclusive styling that sets it apart from the standard model. Built on a lightweight yet robust chassis with advanced suspension components, the motorcycle prioritizes agility, stability, and precise handling, ensuring riders can confidently navigate the challenging terrain of motocross tracks. The SX 450F Factory Edition is designed to be a limited and eye-catching motocross companion, appealing to riders who demand a potent and race-ready machine for their dirt biking adventures. The KTM SX 450F Factory Edition is tailored for riders who crave both power and precision in their motocross endeavors. With advanced suspension components, race-inspired features, and cutting-edge technology, riders can expect a machine finely tuned for optimal handling and responsiveness. The SX 450F Factory Edition aims to attract motocross enthusiasts looking for an exclusive and high-performance factory-tuned machine, providing a rare opportunity to own a limited edition of KTM's motocross prowess. KTM's unwavering commitment to technological innovation is evident in the SX 450F Factory Edition. The motorcycle is anticipated to feature cutting-edge components, including advanced suspension systems for superior handling on the motocross track. The inclusion of rider aids and performance-enhancing features is expected, ensuring that the SX 450F Factory Edition delivers uncompromising performance for riders pushing their limits in off-road racing. Safety and durability are paramount in motocross, and the KTM SX 450F Factory Edition is designed to excel in these aspects. The motorcycle is expected to feature high-performance braking systems, robust components, and a factory-tuned chassis, instilling confidence in riders to tackle jumps, turns, and straightaways with precision and control. KTM's reputation for producing reliable and high-performance motocross bikes is anticipated to shine through in the SX 450F Factory Edition. The announcement of the KTM SX 450F Factory Edition has ignited considerable excitement among motocross enthusiasts, signaling KTM's commitment to pushing the boundaries of off-road motorcycle performance. As riders eagerly await the official release, the SX 450F Factory Edition promises to redefine the motocross experience, offering an exclusive and race-ready machine for those who seek the ultimate thrill on dirt tracks. In conclusion, the KTM SX 450F Factory Edition is poised to make a significant impact in the motocross segment in 2024, providing riders with an exclusive blend of power, agility, and cutting-edge technology. As anticipation builds, motocross enthusiasts can look forward to experiencing the limited edition, factory-tuned performance and precision of the KTM SX 450F Factory Edition, a motorcycle designed to dominate the dirt with unparalleled style and capability.